Hi, I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Speed Screed. So can you let Speed Screed just lay the screed? Yes, you certainly can. We'd be happy to do that. What I would say is that we do provide a 10-year guarantee, which would only cover the screed. If we was to lay the insulation, membranes, underfloor heating, acoustics, etc., they would all be covered within the 10-year guarantee. The screed is only as good as the substrate that it's sitting on. If insulation is laid incorrectly with gaps, there could be thermal issues, thermal performance issues. You could also get crack-inducing issues where there might be steps, gaps, or even rocking in the insulation. If you lay in membranes, it's ensuring that it's correctly taped. If it's a damp-proof membrane, that there are no areas where there may be an ingress of moisture. If we're providing underfloor heating, we're ensuring that the pipes are fully clipped, fully secured. We're also, if we're laying acoustic insulation, which may be on a domestic basis, where we're providing edging stripping to actually isolate the screed from walls and upstands. We're going to ensure that there are no transmission pathways for the sound to be transmitted through the building, especially if it is a multi-occupancy building and we're laying an acoustic system. With Speed Screed, you can guarantee the whole of the substrate. Thank you.